So z is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 plus root 3 into I. Then the value of argument of z is first option is a pi, second pi by 3, third 2 pi upon 3, fourth option is a pi by 4 here. So here z is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus root 3i. Take minus 2 to denominator here. It gives 1 upon 1 plus root 3i divided by minus 2 here. Take this minus 2 to denominator here. Yes, this is equal to what here? 1 upon minus 1 upon 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 into I. Then obviously this is omega square value. So therefore this is equal to 1 divided by omega square. So this is a omega square value. Here multiplying and dividing by omega here. Hence this is equal to 1 upon omega square into omega divided by omega. Multiplying and dividing by omega. Hence 1 into omega is omega. Omega square into omega becomes omega cube here. And you know that omega cube is 1 here. Yes, this is 1. Omega upon 1 is omega. Here we want that is equal to omega. Here we want its argument. You know that 1 omega square. So these are the cube roots of unit here. So therefore this is a cos of 0 plus I into sine of 0, and omega is a cos of 2 pi divided by 3 plus I sine of 2 pi divided by 3, and omega square is a cos of 4 pi by 3 plus I into sine of 4 pi divided by 3. Then omega is there. Obviously its argument is 2 pi upon 3. Okay, therefore argument of z here. Argument of z is argument of omega. It is 2 pi divided by 3. Argument means angle here. Yes, C is the correct option here. 2 pi upon 3. Okay. In this case, x plus I into I is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 raised to 210 is there. Then x is equal to what here? Okay. In this case, x plus I into y is equal to, here multiplying and dividing by 2f. Okay. So 2 into minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2f whole raised to 2010 here. Okay, multiplying and dividing by 2f. Yes, so this is equal to 2 into, and obviously this is omega value. Okay, omega raised to 2010 here. Yes, so this is equal to 2 raised to 2010 into omega raised to 2010 here. Yes, so 2 raised to 2010 keep as it is here. And omega raised to 2010 can be written as omega cube raised to 3 6 18 here, 21 remaining, 3 7 and that is 0 here. Okay, 370 into 3 becomes 210 here. Then omega cube value is 1 here. Complete this becomes 1 here. Yes, it is 2 raised to 2010 here. Therefore, this can be written as 2 raised to 2010 plus I into 0. Yes, this is equal to x plus I into I here. X plus I. Hence x equal to what here? 2 raised to 2010 here. Hence x equal to 2 raised to 2010 here. Yes, C is the correct option here. Okay, here the value of minus 1 plus square root of minus 3 raised to 62 plus minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 raised to 62 is, okay, 4 options are there. So root of minus 3 means root 3 into I, because the square root of minus 1 is I, hence it is a root 3 into I. In this case, multiplying and dividing by 2 here as well as here. Okay, so 2 into, so minus 1 plus root 3 into I divided by 2 raised to 62 here. Multiplying and dividing by 2 here. Even here also, multiplying it to here, minus 1 minus of root 3I divided by 2, this raised to 62 here. Okay, here square root of minus 3 is root 3 into I. Okay, here 2 raised to 62, here also 2 raised to 62 here. So 2 raised to 62 is a common factor here. It is a common factor. And here it is a value of omega here. Omega raised to 62. Omega raised to 62 plus. And here it is a omega square here. Omega square raised to 62 here. Omega square raised to 62 here. Here 2 raised to 62 common factor. 2 raised to 62 common. This is omega here. Omega raised to 62 plus. Omega raised to omega square raised to. Omega square raised to 62 here. Here, so this is equal to 2 raised to 62 here into bracket. Here 62 is there. Okay, we can write here omega raised to cube here raised to 20 into omega square here. Because the 23 is 60. 60 plus 2 becomes 62 here. Okay, then the plus here. Plus. Then omega square raised to 62 is there. We can write like this also. 2 raised to 62 into omega raised to 62 plus omega raised to 62. It's a square here. You can write this one in this form here. Again, omega raised to 62 is this one here. Omega cube raised to 20 into omega square, and it's a square here. Okay, omega raised to 62 is this here plus, and again omega raised to 62 is a omega cube raised to 20 into omega square. 20 to 23 is 60 plus 2 becomes 62. Whole raised to 2 is the right whole raised to 2 as it is. And you know that omega cube is equal to what here? 1 here. Yes, so this equal to 2 raised to 62 into bracket. Here complete this becomes 1 here. 1 into omega square is omega square plus. Even here also this complete term is 1 here. Omega square raised to 2 becomes omega raised to 4 here. Omega raised to 4. And you know that omega cube is 1 here. Omega raised to 4 is omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1 here. 1 into omega here. Hence it is omega. Yes, omega raised to 4 is omega here. 2 raised to 62 into omega square plus omega here. And you know that 1 plus omega plus omega square is 0. Hence take one right hand side here. Omega plus omega square is minus 1 here. 2 raised to 62 into minus 1 minus 2 raised to 62 here. Okay, minus of 2 raised to 62. So third option is correct here. And 1 minute. So minus 2 raised to 62 is the correct option here. So there is one more formula. Suppose omega raised to n into plus omega raised to 2n here is equal to minus 1 if n is not a multiple of 3n. This is one formula. Omega raised to n plus omega raised to 2n is equal to minus 1 if n is not a multiple of 3. Here observe this result here. Okay, here 2 raised to 62 is there. Omega raised to 62 plus omega square raised to 62 here. So 62 is not a multiple of 3 here. 62 is not multiple of 3. Hence, using this formula, you can write this one as a minus 1. 2 raised to 62 into minus 1. 2 raised to 62 into minus 1 here. Minus 2 raised to 62 here. So, third option is correct here. So, it is a important result here. Even here also, you can take this one as minus 1 here. Because 62 is a not a multiple of 3. So, here 2 raised to 62 into this becomes a minus 1. Minus 1 into this here. Minus 2 raised to 62 here. C is the correct option here. In this example, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 raised to 50 plus minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2 raised to 50 here. Obviously, this is omega here. Omega raised to 50. Omega raised to 50 plus and is a omega square here. Omega square raised to 50 here. In the previous example, I given on the formula omega raised to n plus omega raised to 2n is equal to minus 1 if n is not multiple of 3. It is not multiple of 3. Yes, 50 is not multiple of 3 here. Then obviously the answer is minus 1 here. So D is the correct option here, minus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus I root 3 raised to 15 divided by 1 minus I raised to 20 plus minus 1 minus I root 3 raised to 15 divided by 1 plus I whole raised to 20 is equal to what here? Okay. In this case, multiplying and dividing by 2, even here also multiply and divide by 2. Otherwise, you know this formula. Omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2. Take it to this side here. Hence it becomes 2 omega. 2 omega is a minus 1 plus I into root 3. So similarly, omega square here. Minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 here. Take a 2 omega, this 2 is this side here. 2 omega square here. Minus 1 minus I into root 3 here. Even you can use this one also. Here you can multiply 2 and dividing by 2. Otherwise you can use these two also. Okay. Hence minus 1 plus I root 3 is a 2 omega here. 2 omega raised to 15 here. Divided by here 1 minus I raised to 20 is there. You can write here 1 minus I whole square raised to 10 here. Whole raised to 10. Then a plus here. And here it is a minus 2 omega square here. 2 omega square raised to 15 here. So right here raised to 15 divided by 1 plus I raised to 20. 1 plus I whole square raised to 10 here. So raised to 10 here. Yes, so this is equal to here 2 raised to 15 here. 2 raised to 15 into omega raised to 15 here. You know that omega raised to 15 here. That is omega cube raised to 5 and omega cube is 1 here. 1 raised to 5 is again it is 1 only. Hence omega raised to 15 is 1. Here omega square raised to 15 means 15 to 30 here. Omega raised to 30. Omega raised to 30 means omega cube raised to 10 here. And omega cube is 1. 1 raised to 10 is 1 here. So it is 1. So omega raised to 30 is also 1 here. So 2 raised to 15 into 1 here. And here denominator 1 minus I whole square here. So there is a formula 1 plus I whole square is 2I and 1 minus I whole square is minus 2I. So 1 minus I whole square is minus 2I minus 2I raised to 10 here. So right here raised to 10 then plus here. Then 2 raised to 15. 2 raised to 15 and this becomes 1 here divided by it is a 2I. 2I raised to 10 here. Whole raised to 10. Then 10 is a even number here. Then minus becomes a plus here. Hence this equal to 2 raised to 15 divided by 2 raised to 10 into I raised to 10 here. Then plus 2 raised to 15 divided by 2 raised to 10 into I raised to 10 here. Into I raised to 10. Then you know loss of indices here. 2 raised to 15 divided by 2 raised to 10. Here 15 minus 10 is 5. Hence 2 raised to 5 divided by I raised to 10 is there. I raised to 10 can be written as I raised to 4 raised to 2 into I square here. Okay, here 4 2s are 8 here. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. Okay, I raised to 10 is there. I raised to 10 can be written as I raised to 4 raised to 2 into I square. Here this upon this becomes 2 raised to 5. Even here also plus this upon this 2 raised to 5 divided by I raised to 10 is there. I raised to 4 whole square into I square. Therefore 2 raised to 5 this becomes 1 here divided by I square. 2 raised to 5 divided by I square here. 2 raised to 5 divided by I square plus 2 raised to 5 divided by I square, because here you know I raised to 4 is always 1 here. This is 1 here. 1 into I square is I square, and here it is 1. 1 into I square is I square here. And you know that I square is equal to what here? I square is a minus 1. So therefore this upon minus 1 is minus 2 raised to 5. Minus 2 raised to 5. Even here also minus of 2 raised to 5. Minus 2 raised to 5. Minus 2 raised to 5. Minus 2 raised to 5 is minus 2 into 2 raised to 5. Minus of 2 into 2 raised to 5 is that, you know, 2 raised to 5 is 32. 32 into 2 becomes 64. So minus of 64. So first option is correct here, minus 64.